In this video, we'll show you how to place photos side by side on an iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This technique can be really useful for sharing or posting your photos in a side-by-side layout. To get started, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This app should already be installed, but if you don't have it, you can easily download it from the App Store. You can also swipe down and search for it if needed, or find it on the second page of your apps. Once you have the app open, tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. In the search bar, type Select Photos and tap on it. Then make sure to enable the Select Multiple option. Next, tap on the search bar again and type Combine Images. You'll have the option to combine the photos either horizontally or vertically. For this guide, we'll choose the horizontal option. After that, tap the search bar again and type Save to Photos to finish the process. Once you've added these actions, press Done in the top right corner to save the shortcut. Now, tap the shortcut you just created. You'll be prompted to select the photos you want to place side by side. After selecting them, press Add in the top right corner to run the shortcut. The photos will be processed and saved to your Photos app. When you open your Photos app, you'll see your images arranged side by side. If you need to adjust the layout, you can always crop or edit the image further.